Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a special episode of our podcast. You can tell that I am super excited, and it is because of the personality of our guest. This man has perfected the art and mastered the craft of comedy. He has redefined comedy in Nigeria and across the world. Call him the microphone aficionado. Bring him before any audience, and he will dazzle them like Ronaldinho. Ladies and gentlemen, MC Casino!
You know, so now this your guy, and I go scatter Nigeria. You know the way they introduce me? I don't know, so now I got shocked. Who come
It's maybe this.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So let me just also tell you that he's the host of the annual comedy show that helps you get your year started, Game of Jokes. So we're discussing a very important subject. It is essentially about moral bankruptcy in our society and what must be done to ensure that we raise great men and great women in our society. Let us talk about the mayor of Equatorial Guinea, Balthazar.
Because you see, thank God say you call her moral bankruptcy. See that mayor of Equatorial Guinea way talk so. What will make a lot of people even celebrate that mayor of Equatorial Guinea? Now because of the bankruptcy in morals. Shame not there again. Almost everybody now they celebrate the guy. But anyway, let me be guest. Talk.
So let's talk about it, because like Nedu mentioned, we live in a society where shame not there again. Anything will happen, people will just be talk about them. And this is somebody who was alleged to have slept with over 400 women. For the video footage,
of which say over 200 now married women then be.
Married women. And some of these women are people where they say somehow he gets connection to some people who know them. Like for example, this one are in friend, wife.
Brother, wife.
Oh no, that's crazy.
Okay, why are we condemn in totality the act of sleeping with another man's wife? But may we also reason that this way. More remove say, let's assume say not really sleep with people. Why? See all those girls, I don't normal girls. Why did they put the blame for Lady Man head?
Because he's responsible for his erection, the direction, and penetration.
Well done, Chris Okotie. What of the women? Hey, married man sleep with girls. Girls not sleep with married man.
But we are not talking of one woman or 10 women or 100 women. We are talking of over 400 women.
And they make video.
That is it. That is why by now, African men was a cry to fight for justice for this man. Because 400 women molested him. They defied him.
Wait.
They used him. They dumped him. And nobody they talk anything.
But husband material, if you check this thing, why are we crucifying that man?
Okay.
He get any man where not they do that thing. In fact, for this whole Benin where we dey, the only man that I can vouch for in this whole Benin that cannot be like that man is Kabaka.
Wise man.
I'm very wise.
I know he's also Kabaka, a good guy.
Very good guy.
Now today on our podcast for end. But that's not why we are here.
Okay.
Wait,
Bro,
I don't understand.
Now let's listen to it. It is easier for 400 women to convince one man than one man to convince 400 women. What of if for that full time, now that man na walk pass?
Then
Then women now go they tell them, they call each other. You don't go, I don't go. If you see what he did there, now they can't go. You charm for the man. What if they charm that man?
Charm the man.
Yes. What if all those women now charm that man? Because if you watch that this is very well, volume 8, episode 7.
Wait,
Volume 8, episode 7.
You don't watch all
of the Equatorial Guinea video. I mean the office episode.
Office.
That scene, the office scene. When
plenty office scene there. Oh, no, then tell me say plenty office scene there. Not me say me I.
No wahala, sha.
So what happen for that scene?
You see the woman calling him like this. Calling him like the man be no one go.
Na the juju.
Even I even watch. That man not laugh once. All those videos. Wait.
Only one.
Wait.
He not happy.
He was not happy.
Let me think this issue well.
Let me understand something. I'm happy that you started by condemning his act, but this would appear like you are making excuses for him. You are saying that 400 women convinced one man, 400 women took advantage of one man, 400 women exploited one man.
Yes.
But this is one man who Every time they came, he was able to rise.
To the occasion.
So how do you blame the women in this situation?
No, maybe not the juju.
Bros. I am going to see him. We will not do anything. And you shave. You know, this is how the women shave.
What do women shave?
Yeah, they shave. They shave.
Did you zoom? Take notes.
Paragraph 19 of the that clip. Check out. Paragraph 19.
Of this,
But when you zoom on to the point where you take notes,
They shave. Baba, if we see too more, they talk. And the man no enjoy. No only one style.
the man now only one star.
Yes, now like this. 400 video.
No cry.
What I think.
The boy they even cry. Did that man laugh? In any of those videos?
He did not laugh.
I think you are making excuses for
The
him.
man was under a spell.
This is really very bad of you. I think you are making excuses for him, and it's condemnable. Condemning this man in one breath and then defending him in another reeks of hypocrisy for me. Because how are you making excuses for him?
Bros, I said I condemn the man for sleeping with people's wife.
But
to not start saying all the blame and the man enjoy. The man did not enjoy anything. The women should be crucified because he watched those 400 videos. The women have more than 300 stars in those videos. I watched them. I was focused as if I wanted to write exam from those videos. We watch the videos. The women, they did doggy. They did reverse collapse doggy. They did cowboy. They did reverse cowboy. They did snake in the monkey's shadow. The one that they did in the river. They did swallow the mommy water star. There was one they did in the office. The woman burned as if she want to thief ballot box. What did that man do?
No cry.
They molested him.
It's okay.
400 video.
It's okay.
And nobody asked what the man.
It's okay.
It's wrong.
Sorry.
400 video.
Sorry.
No style.
Sorry. Where are you going?
What did it is?
But we'll never finish the interview.
What did it is?
We'll never finish the interview.
Nobody care about men for this country. 400 video. What is this? What did men do now?
Sorry.
400 video.
Sorry.
1 star.
Sorry. Hey, lady.
400 video.
Lady.
1 star.
1 star. It's okay.
What if it's okay?
It's okay.
What if it's okay?
It's okay.
They used to do for the man.
Yes.
They used to do for the man. 400 video. 1 star.
Sorry. Just like this.
400 video. 1 star. It's not going better for you.
Sorry.
You will now 1 star. You will
It's
die.
okay. It's okay.
400 video. 1 star.
It's okay.
400 video.
It's okay.
1 star.
It's okay. Take heart.